Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. I hope you are watching my videos regularly, and after the break of few days we are again back with the new videos. Please watch the videos regularly so that you do not miss out any topics. And before we begin with our video, as usual, I would like to discuss few important things with you. So, you must have a sanitizer with you whenever you go outside. Also, you must have a bottle of sanitizer with you in your home. Keep using the sanitizer regularly. At every hour, you have to wash your hands. If you are at home, you can use a soap and at least for 30 seconds wash your hands nicely before eating and after eating. And also try that you drink hot water, little hot water, at least thrice in a day. Keep yourselves and your surroundings sanitized, means neat and clean. And eat the food which is made at home. The homemade food is the best food for us. So, this video is for class 2, subject science. Let us read a thought before we begin. You can learn something new every day if you listen. So, do you all know the meaning of this thought? The meaning of this thought is that listening is an art. You should know how to listen. Most of the people they speak and speak without listening, but it is wrong. Listening is one of the most important arts, and listening is more important than speaking. If you listen, then you can learn something new every day, because if you speak, you are already speaking what you know, but if you listen, then you will learn something new, what you don't know. So listen carefully and speak less and be attentive. Make your observation sharp. Look around you what is going on and note down what are the changes. See what is changing every day and listen to everyone carefully what they speak. In today's video, we are going to cover chapter number 2, uses of plants. We will do the revision of the chapter with the notes, the Fairbook notes which you have already written. We will revise it today, and along with that you have to write. Along with the video you have to write it one time in rough notebook. So I hope all of you are ready with your notebook and pencil and eraser. Please see that your pencil is sharpened. So let us begin. Chapter number 2. What is the name of the lesson? Uses of plants. And we are learning the notes of the lesson, the Fairbook notes. What have we learned? The main thing in the lesson, that plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. And we learned that plants give us many things. So let us read the notes of the lesson, which you have already written in your Fairbook, and along with this video, I hope you are writing it one time in your rough book. So let's start, and please write along with the video. So first one, we had written hard words. Let us read and write it along with the video. I repeat. So let us start. Sugarcane. 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 What do we get from sugarcane? We get sugar from sugarcane. So I hope you have written in rough book one time. Next, see the image of the sugarcane. As you can see, one more image is there. Very beautiful image. Number 2, write down radish. 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 So this is the spelling of these vegetable, that is radish, and you can see some more images of radish. You have seen this at your home. Your mother might have cooked it, or you might have seen in the vegetable market. This is called radish. 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 Then number 3. Please write along with the video one time. turnip. Turnip. What is the spelling? turnip. Turnip. This is the image which is shown over here. This image is of turnip. It is a vegetable. This also you might have seen. See, I will show you some more images of turnip. I suppose you have seen this turnip in vegetable market, at your home, or somewhere else. The man who comes in the street and sells vegetable seller, you might have seen, right? So what is the spelling? I hope you have written turnip. Turnip. Number 4. Write down in your notebook. cauliflower. Cauliflower. Once again, cauliflower. 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 This is the image of the cauliflower. White you can see, and from bottom it might look green. It has green leaves, you can say. So cauliflower you might have eaten as vegetable. Your mother might have cooked. You might have seen with vegetable salads, right? So this image is of cauliflower. Then number 5. broccoli. Broccoli. Once again, broccoli. 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 See, here are some more images of broccoli. It can be cooked and it is very healthy and it gives us energy. You must eat this vegetable. It is very good for your health. See the spelling once again. broccoli. Broccoli. Then number 6. lettuce. Lettuce. I hope you have written in your notebook and you are writing along with the video. lettuce. 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 See some more images I will show you. These are the images of lettuce vegetable, and again it is green and very healthy in diet. Those who eat, they have got so many advantages. You must eat this vegetable as a part of your daily diet. See once more, I will show you the spelling so that you can write the spelling. Number 7. cereals. Cereals. Again, cereals. Cereals. So I hope you have already written cereals. We have learnt in this lesson what are cereals and pulses. Plants also give us food grains. And food grains, what are food grains? The dry seeds, or you can say seed like fruits of some plants which we use as food. So that are cereals. Cereals and pulses we have learnt in this chapter. So these are cereals. See, here are some more images of cereals. I have shown so many images while we learnt the lesson. So please write down the spelling. We'll repeat once more. cereals. Cereals. Number 8. cocoa. Cocoa. See, this is cocoa powder. There are seeds. And why do we use cocoa? We use cocoa for making chocolate. The most important use of cocoa powder, that is for making chocolate. You eat so many chocolates like Kit Kat, 5 Star, Dairy Milk, etc. So where do these chocolates come from? They are made with the help of this cocoa. See some more images of cocoa seeds and powder. This is used for making chocolates. Once more I will read the spelling. I hope you have written in your notebook. COCOA, cocoa. See, COCO is repeated and only one A is extra. Then next, number 9, very useful as medicinal plant. What is this yellow color powder? Can you see? Let us read the spelling. TURMERIC, turmeric. TURMERIC, turmeric. See, here are some more images of turmeric. It is very useful as medicinal plant and it has lot of benefits. If you get cut or if it is bleeding, it can stop bleeding if you apply it. It has so many other advantages. Let us read once more. Please write it. TURMERIC, turmeric. Then number 10, RUBBER, rubber. Very easy. We use this thing almost every day. We get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree that we have learnt. See the images of some more rubber tree. How do we get rubber? These are some more images. We get juice of rubber tree and from that we get rubber. So let us read the spelling once again. RUBBER, rubber. I hope you are noting down in your notebook. RUBBER, rubber. Then number 11. What is this? Table, sofa, etc. What are these things called? Furniture. See the spelling. FURNITURE, furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. See, some more images are there of furniture. Bed where you can sleep. Here is the table where you can keep your things. Here is the dining table where you can sit with your family and have lunch and dinner, tea, coffee, breakfast, etc. These are called furniture and we have furniture in our homes. Let us read the spelling and write it down. FURNITURE, furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. Then number 12. Now we have fill in the blanks with the correct words. We will read fill in the blanks and we have to write the correct word from the bracket. Here students, I just want you to give the numbers 1, 2, 3 and write only the answer. Don't write full sentence. Only answer you have to write. Heading you can give FB, in short, means fill in the blanks. Let us read the first one. Potato and dash are examples of stems we eat. So potato and sugar cane. See, this is example. This is the image of sugar cane. We eat the stems of these two plants. Potato and sugar cane. So you have to write this in your notebook. What is the spelling? SUGARCANE, sugar cane. Fill in the blanks. Answer number 1. Potato and sugar cane are examples of stems we eat. Once again, potato and sugar cane are examples of stems we eat. So 5 seconds I will give you for writing. I hope you have written the answer which is given over here, sugar cane. Number 2. See, these are the images of potato and sugar cane. Some more images which you can see. So number 2 is, write down number 2 and only write the answer which is given over here. We get tea, coffee and dash from plants. So what do we get? We get tea, coffee and sugar. Sugar is one of the most important things that we need in everyday life. So we get tea, coffee and sugar from plants. I hope you have written this answer in your notebook. That is number 2, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar. We get these things from plants. Then see, these are some images of tea, coffee, sugar which we get from plants. Then number 3, write down number 3 and only write this answer. We get oil from dash. Where do we get oil from? We get oil from plants. Right? We don't get oil from paper. So the answer is plants. Write down this answer in your notebook. We get oil from plants. What is the spelling? Plants. Plants. We get oil from plants. We use oil for cooking and for many other things. Like we can use oil for applying in your hair. You can apply oil and your hair will be silky and smooth. So where do we get oil from? We get oil from plants. I hope you have written this answer. Then next, see, these are images of some oils. Then number 4, write only this answer. Jute and cotton are dash. We get from plants. So jute and cotton are called food or fibers? Of course fibers, because jute and cotton we cannot eat. So they are not called food. So they are called fibers. From fibers, see, these are examples of jute and cotton. From these we can make clothes. So jute and cotton are called fibers. We get from plants. What is the spelling? Write down the answer, only the answer in your notebook. Fibres, fibers. Fibres, fibers. I hope you have written the answers in your notebook. What is the spelling? Answer number 4, Fibres, fibers. Jute and cotton are fibers which we get from plants. Then see, these are images of jute and cotton. You already have seen this cotton many times. It is a common thing which we have in our homes, and jute. Next, number 5, only the answer you will write. Only answer. Furniture is made from dash plant. So furniture is made from teak plant, because we cannot make furniture from cotton plant. So what is the other option? Teak. T-E-A-K, teak. It is a type of wood which is used for making furniture like table, chair, etc. So what is the spelling? Write down this answer. T-E-A-K, teak. T-E-A-K, teak. Furniture is made from teak plant. See, there are some more images of teak plant, the trees which are there. From this we get teak wood, and from this we can make furniture, which is shown over here, the door and the other furniture we can make. So what is the spelling? I hope you have written T-E-A-K, teak plant. Next, so the next topic is match the following, which you have already written in your fair notebook. So students, if you have fair notebook, you can also keep your fair notebook open along with the video, and you can write down from fair book also. Also, please check the spellings in your fair notebook along with this video. So write down number 1, in heading you will write MF, means match the following. So number 1, rice, cereal. So what is rice? Rice is a type of cereal. I am reading the spelling, write along with the video. R-I-C-E, rice, and put dash and write cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L, cereal. Rice is a type of cereal. So you have to write over here, left side you will write rice, and here you will write cereal. See, these are examples. Here you can see image of rice. It is a cereal. You can see the rice coming out of this bag. This is example. You have already seen this rice. You eat this rice every day. It is the staple diet of Indians. See, rice, cereal. Then number 2, write along with me, C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. Cardamom, it is a spice. S-P-I-C-E. Spice. Cardamom is used for adding flavor to food. It will make your food spicy. It will make your food tastier. So that is a spice. That is the work of spice. C-A-R-D, card, A-M-O-M, cardamom. See, first the spelling of card is given, then amom, A-M-O-M. Cardamom is a spice. See over here, some more images of spice. Cardamom is a spice. You can see some more images. You have seen this. It might be there in your homes. If you want, you can see. What is the spelling? C-A-R-D-A-M-O-M. Cardamom is, then put dash and write spice. S-P-I-C-E. Spice. I suppose you have already written this in your notebook, and you can also keep your fair book open with you. Then number 3, what is given? Cotton dash fiber. So cotton is a type of fiber. We have already seen cotton is a type of fiber. We have seen in the previous topic. So please write down number 3, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton dash F-I-B-R-E, fiber. Once again, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton dash F-I-B-R-E, fiber. See, here are some more images of cotton which is used as fiber. And what is the use of fiber? Fibers are used to make clothes like cotton shirt, cotton pant, etc. So that is fiber, cotton fiber. We get jute from plants, and that is also a fiber. A thin thread like material is called fiber. So once again I will repeat. I hope you have written C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, F-I-B-R-E, fiber. Then number 4, write down in your notebook R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber, E-R-A-S-E-R-S, erasers. You already use these erasers for erasing the mistakes that you make with pencil. If you make a mistake, you can use eraser and erase the mistake and rewrite the word. So that is the use of eraser. And where do we get eraser from? We get it from rubber. So what is the spelling? R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber dash E-R-A-S-E-R-S, erasers. Rubber erasers. See, here are some more erasers which are very famous, like Apsara non-dust eraser, and here emoji erasers are there. Happy, sad, crying. Have you seen this kind of erasers? These erasers are available in the shop. You can go and you can buy it. But you must have at least one eraser in your compass box, because whenever you make mistake, you need these erasers to erase that mistakes. See, write down in your notebook if you have not yet written. I am repeating once. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber, E-R-A-S-E-R-S, erasers. Rubber erasers. Rubber erasers. Then next, number 5, what is given? R-O-S-E, rose dash P-E-R-F-U-M-E, perfume. Write down in your notebook. What is given? Rose, perfume. So do you know what is perfume? Perfume is used to apply on your body, or you can say perfume that is used for applying on the clothes like shirt, jacket. It will smell very good. When you sit with someone, then you will smell very good. It will have a good smell. Like how you get a good smell of the food when it is cooked. Same way, perfume gives a very pleasant smell, and you will like to sit with that person. So where do we get perfume from? We get perfume from rose. Rose is a type of flower, and flowers smell very good. So we get perfume from flowers like rose and jasmine. So perfume is something which is used to apply on the clothes to smell good. I suppose you have already written this. See, these are some more images of perfumes which you can see on your screen. You might be having a perfume in your home. A different variety of perfumes are there available in the market. See, once more I will read it out for you. If you have not written, please write it. ROSE, rose. PERFUME, perfume. Rose, perfume. Then number 6, which is not there, but write 2 examples for each of the following. This is our next topic. Please give the heading 2 examples. You have to give the heading in short, not the full heading. You have to give the heading 2 examples. Just write this much, 2 examples. I will give you 5 seconds for writing the heading. 2 examples. Please write down. Now, number 1. So you have to write number 1. Cereals. Which are the cereals? Rice and oat. So what is the spelling? CEREALS. Cereals. Then the first one is rice. Second one is oat. RICE, rice. OAT, oat. We have learnt so many cereals which are there in the lesson. From that we have written only 2. That is rice and oat. The images are already shown over here. Cereals, rice and oat. Here are some more images of cereals, that is rice and oat. I suppose you have already written this answers, rice and oat. Then number 2, write down spices. So which are the 2 spices that you can see over here? First is cardamom, second is cinnamon. These are the 2 spices. I hope you have written CARDAMOM, cardamom. Then second, CINNAMON, cinnamon. Cardamom and cinnamon. See, you already have in your fair notebook, so you can also keep your fair book open with you and write down from the fair book also. Spices, that are 2 over here, the main 2 which are given, cardamom and cinnamon. Then next, see the images of cardamom and cinnamon which are given. So number 3, plants that give us medicine. So here students, you will only write the answers. Write only the 2 answers. Which plants give us medicines? First is neem, NEEM, neem. Second is turmeric, TURMERIC, turmeric. Write only these 2 answers. And you have to give the number 3. So which are the plants that give us medicine? It helps us when we get hurt or injury. So which are the 2 plants? First is neem, NEEM, neem. Second is turmeric, TURMERIC, turmeric. I suppose you have written these 2 answers in your notebook. Then these are images of turmeric and neem, as you can see, useful as medicinal plant. Then number 4, please write down only answers. Plants that give us fibers. So where do we get fibers from? With which we can make cloth. So cotton and jute. Write these 2 answers. What is the spelling? COTTON, cotton. JUTE, jute. These plants give us fibers. Which 2 plants? Cotton and jute. COTTON, cotton. JUTE, jute. Then these are images of cotton and jute which you have already seen. Then last one, write down only answers. Plants that give us wood. So where do we get wood from? From which we can make furniture? We get it from oak and pine. What is the spelling? OAK, oak. PINE, pine. Write down only answers. Plants give us wood. First one is OAK, oak. Second one is PINE, pine. So I suppose you have written these two answers in your notebook, and answer is number 5. You have to give the number and then write these two answers. One last time I will read it for you. If you have not written, please write it. Plants that give us wood. So these two answers you have to write. OAK, oak. PINE, pine. This is oak and pine. So we keep till here. We have revised. Fill in the blanks. Match the following. Give two examples of chapter number 2, that is uses of plants. We shall continue with the revision. Till then, all of you take care and please keep watching the videos regularly. Thank you.